Hello everyone, this is Khushi Gupta, Legal Research Associate and Legal Content Writer at Legal Scholars. Welcome to our YouTube channel Legal Scholars. The topic for today is Article 32 of Indian Constitution. Article 32 of Indian Constitution states remedies for enforcement of fundamental rights. मतलब कि अगर किसी के फंडामेंटल राइट्स को प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए या हर्ट होने के बाद रेमेडीज हैं तो पर्सन कैन डायरेक्टली अप्रोच द सुप्रीम कोर्ट. द फर्स्ट क्लॉज स्टेट्स द सेम दैट इफ फंडामेंटल राइट्स ऑफ एन इंडिविजुअल आर हर्टेड बाय एनी इंस्टेंस ही or she has the right to directly approach the Supreme Court by validating a reason of not approaching the district courts or local courts. Second clause of Article 32 states that Supreme Court can work on writs in order to protect the fundamental rights of individuals. Talking about more in detail about Article 32, Dr. B.R Ambedkar had mentioned Article 32 as the heart and soul of Indian Constitution and as one of the most important rights available to an individual in order to protect his or her fundamental rights. A landmark case example of Article 32 is of Narayan versus Ishwar Lal. This was all about Article 32. Thank you for watching. We will be back with another law related video soon. Keep showing your love by liking and commenting.